Guys, andito na kami sa Malacca. So, magla-lunch muna kami. After ng lunch, ayun, shopping na kami after naming mag-lunch. You know.
Magsakay ta atong tricycle.
Padjak man to.
Padjak.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, ang bulak sa ato nga dili bali-bali yung iba bahok lang dire. Karaan man nga bulak.
That's right. I won't eat because of this.
Karabaw. Tourism, Malacca.
Kuan na lang ma'am, i-compute na lang na unsay mga
Ayun, pupunta kami dito sa Malacca River. Yung restaurant. Tourism.
ako wala na total lubat na po. Sorry to appeal to. Can you please, because it's already I already have lubat.
Malacca River.
What's
Yes,
this?
Malacca River.
Ah, okay.
Later night here will be very beautiful with the LED light. Later
At night?
evening.
Ah, okay. Pero ang pronunciation, ma'am, Malacca.
Malacca.
Ang spelling niya, Malacca.
Milaka
Melaka.
or Malacca?
Malacca.
Malacca.
Bahasa Malaysia. Malacca. Okay, I think we need to stick together to cross the river.
Cross, dako.
They're blocking the path.
Yes. Rice bowl. Another one. Okay. Let's go, ma. Let's go.
I think we can try to find the acceptor around later.
Okay. So, dito kami kakain, guys. Sa Famosa Chicken Rice Bowl. So, dito kami magla-lunch today.
Picturean mo.
Picture. Okay.
Isend ko yan sa IGC.
Opo.